Namaste. Myself Arun Koirala, Deputy Director of Chitwan Medical College. I am looking for the international student admission here in Chitwan Medical College. Regarding Chitwan Medical College was established in 2006 and it has been running 8 bachelor level program, more than 25 postgraduate level program and super specialty DM MCH program in Chitwan Medical College. Service wise, we are the most advanced medical college in Nepal. We have our own dedicated cancer hospital for a cancer patient. We have latest medical equipment and technologies. Regarding why foreign students should come to Chitwan Medical College for pursuing their MBBS degree, we would like to elaborate to that. The Chitwan Medical College is in the central part of Nepal, which is accessible from the border and from Kathmandu International Airport. It's a time of only 20-minute flight from Kathmandu International Airport, and from Bharatpur border it's only 200 km, and from Roxol border it's hardly 150 km, and from Kakarvita border Siliguri it's only nearby 700 km. So it is in the central part of Nepal. From everywhere the pathway is Chitwan Medical College. So regarding the things, we like to mention that we have a quality education. Chitwan Medical College is always focusing on the quality education. We are trying to give the best quality education to our student with the affordable tuition fee. The fee are very affordable to the student in comparison to international market, and the major thing is that student can get admission on the basis of the NEET year of same year from India, so that it will be quite easier for the student. They need not need to appear the entrance exam from Nepal, which is taken by the Medical Education Commission if they are eligible in NEET exam of the same year from India. The foremost thing is that Nepal and India are neighboring country. They have the similar culture and the language are almost similar, and each and every student will be comfortable with the language. And another thing is that the foremost thing required in MBBS degree is their clinical exposure. As Chitwan Medical College has advanced services, advanced technology, the student will get the clinical exposure in Chitwan Medical College. And we like to inform you that Chitwan Medical College was the first medical college which is recognized by University Grant Commission in 2022, and it is ISO certified hospital. So we have our cultural experience. Student can exchange their culture in Chitwan Medical College. So we like to welcome you to Chitwan Medical College. We like to visit you for your admission. Thank you.